Hello, and welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today we will talk about 7 C's of communication. Consider how frequently you interact with individuals during the day. You write emails, run meetings, take part in conference calls, develop reports, design presentations, have discussions with coworkers, and so on. Almost the entire day can be devoted to communication. So, it makes sense that efficient communication can increase productivity. The 7 C's of communication are useful in this situation. The 7 C's offer a checklist to ensure that your meetings, emails, conference calls, reports, and presentations are well made and understandable so that your audience will understand what you're saying. We'll examine each of the 7 C's of communication in this video. According to the 7 C's, communication needs to be 1. Clear. 2. Concise. 3. Concrete. 4. Correct. 5. Coherent. 6. Complete. 7. Courteous. 1. Clear. Be explicit about your intention or message whenever you write or speak to someone. What do you want to achieve by speaking with this person? Your viewers won't be certain if you aren't. Try to keep the number of ideas in each phrase to a minimum to ensure clarity. Make sure your reader can easily grasp what you intend. To grasp what you're trying to convey, people shouldn't have to read between the lines and rely on their own assumptions. 2. Concise. When you communicate clearly, you keep your points brief and to the point. When you could convey your meaning in 3 sentences, why would your audience want to read 6? Is there anything you can remove, such as adjectives or filler words? Words like, for instance, you see, absolutely, sort of, literally, essentially, or, I mean, are frequently unnecessary. Are there any sentences that are not necessary? Have you stated the point multiple times and in various ways? 3. Concrete. Your audience will clearly understand what you are saying if your message is specific. The focus is laser-like, and there are vivid facts and details, but not too many. Your point is well made. 4. Correct. Your intended audience will be able to understand you when your message is clear. Moreover, error-free communication is also correct communication. By asking yourself the following questions, you can ensure that your message is accurate. Do the technical terms you use correspond to the expertise or education of your audience? Did you proofread your article for grammar mistakes? Note that spell checkers won't always capture errors. Is every title and name spelled correctly? 5. Coherent. Your communication is reasonable when it is clear. The tone and flow of the text are consistent, and every point is related to the main idea. 6. Complete. The audience receives all the information necessary to understand the message and, if necessary, take action. Does your message contain a call to action that makes it clear to your audience what you want them to do? Have you listed all essential facts, such as names of contacts, times, dates, and locations? 7. Courteous. Communication that is polite and respectful is courteous. There are no hidden comments or passive-aggressive undertones. You consider your reader's perspective and are sympathetic to their needs. We hope that this video will help you to succeed in professional life. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and share this video with your friends and family members. Also, don't forget to subscribe our channel.